Fatty liver disease is caused when the liver cells start storing too much fat. It's of two types, one is non-alcoholic and the other is alcoholic. The first one is caused due to obesity, high blood pressure, or insulin resistance, while the latter is due to heavy alcohol use. When the body tries to process so much alcohol, it generates harmful substances that can lead to fatty liver disease. Doctors can provide you with medications, but the most recommended treatment is a balanced diet. A good diet can do wonders for your body, and treating diseases is one of the wonders. With a balanced diet, your body gets the right amount of foods and drinks that keep it running smoothly. Both types of the fatty liver disease require a balanced diet, with no alcohol use and no overeating. Even in a balanced diet, there are some foods that are more helpful than others, so let's take a look at some of the foods that you should eat when you have fatty liver disease. 1. Fish. Omega-3 found in fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are very important in improving liver condition. It helps the breakdown of accumulated fat in the cells and reduces inflammation. If you aren't getting enough from eating fish or seafood, then taking supplements is a good option. 2. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and help in reducing the buildup of unhealthy fats on the liver's surface, thus slowing down the damage to the liver. They are also low in glycemic index, so they help in removing toxins from the liver, which lead to organ damage. Plus, the high fiber improves the metabolism, which further promotes healthy weight loss. 3. Green tea. Green tea is a famous herbal tea, especially for weight loss. Having green tea every day can help your body absorb fat and thus reducing the fat storage in the liver. It's rich in antioxidants, which help the liver function and protects it from harmful toxins. 4. Garlic. According to studies, having garlic helps your body produce and release enzymes that flush out the toxins from your liver. The cleansing of the liver also includes the buildup of harmful fats, and because garlic has many natural compounds, it also boosts the works of antioxidants in the body. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are juicy and delicious and help in repairing the liver damage done due to a fatty liver. The high level of vitamin C and antioxidants help flush out all the toxins from the body, therefore, protecting the cells and repairing the damage in the liver. 6. Coffee. Other than being just a pick-me-up in the mornings, coffee is also very helpful during fatty liver disease. Coffee's properties help remove the enzymes that cause harm to the liver cells. Coffee is especially helpful for people that have alcoholic fatty liver disease. Having 2 cups a day may be quite helpful, but it's not a cure-all. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants as well as omega-3 fatty acids. As we mentioned earlier, omega-3 is very important in improving liver function. Because of its healthy properties, it reduces the amount of fat that is deposited in the body and protects it from further damage as well.